Hello and welcome to BizRun. This quick video is going to demonstrate our Team Timekeeping functionality for you. I'm going to be logging in on mobile. Team Timekeeping works on both desktop and mobile, as well as online and offline when you don't have an internet connection. For this example, I'm going to be the crew leader for a project where we're going to do a field installation. So first thing I'm going to do in the morning on site is open up Team Timekeeping, and then I'm going to begin the process of clocking in the team. So I'm the crew lead, so I'm going to put me in here. This is going to be an installation, and we're going to say that the project is for the Wrights in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. And we're going to just say this is day one of a 2-day installation. So now I'm going to start adding the team. So I click here, and that adds me to the team. We're going to add a couple of other installers. Robert Galvin, add him, and then Donnell Justice. And Miller. So David Miller, add him. So these checkboxes show that they're all going to be checked in, and I'm going to clock everyone in. And so we're all on the clock here working on our installation. Now, a little bit later today, and it's time for an inspector who's going to come by to check in on the project. And his name is Soria, and I'm gonna clock him in as inspections. Same project, same day one. Add him. We're gonna clock him in, and now Robert is here doing his. Kenneth is here doing his inspection, and he's here for about an hour. And points out some things that we still need to work on, but he's going to leave and go to another project. So we're going to go ahead and clock him out so he can head on to his next project. And then the rest of the team, David, Donnell, Robert, and I are going to finish the work for the day. And then when we're done, we clock out. When we know that we're connected with an internet connection, whether it's in cell service or if this is a desktop, we're plugged into the internet, we would click sync, and it would update our data so we know that all 5 records were updated, and then we're done. We're going to pretend that this is the second day of a 2-day installation job. And what we see is when I go into the timekeeping, it shows me the team that I had yesterday. And what we're going to simulate here is that one of my installers is now on a different project, and a new guy is joining the team. So Robert Galvin is going to be on a different project, and we're going to add Anthony Green to this project. So we're going to add him to it, and then Kenneth is going to come by later and inspect. So I'm the crew lead. I'm here, and then Robert's not. And David and Donnell are also joining me today on day 2. So this project is an installation, and it's for the Wrights. And I'm going to just note that this is day 2. And so we're going to clock the team in. So similar to yesterday, we continue to work, and later in the day now, Kenneth is going to come by and inspect. He inspected yesterday, so he's already in this handy checklist. So I can select him, and the activity he's going to do is an inspection. And same project, day 2, clock in. Kenneth continues his inspection. Pretty tough on us. He found a couple of things that we need to change and correct. So he's given me instructions on what we need to do. I'm clear on that. So he's going to go off and go on to his next inspection. So we clock him out of our project. and then we continue for the rest of the day. We might clock out for lunch and then clock back in. In this case, we finish out the day, and everyone clocks out at once. So now everyone's got the same clock out time, and I now know that I have cell service, so I'm connected to the internet. So I'm going to sync my information, and it shows me that all the records have successfully uploaded to the database, and I'm finished for the day. Thank you.